Okay, so let's look at what's called derivational morphology, to derive words. Morphology, to change words. So derive, derivational. So some words can be the basis of other words in English by adding a prefix, suffix, or both. Prefix at the start, suffix at the end, or both. Both. Also known as lexical morphology. Lexical, lexicology, in terms of the lexis, the words, the study. Lexicology, the study of language, kind of like linguistics in a way. I guess that's more like applied language. No, lexicology will be more words, and linguistics will be languages. So other words can be derived from other words by changing or adding a prefix. So let's look at the word fortunate. Prefix, suffix, both. Fortunate. The misfortune. Well, no, fortune. 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 To be lucky about something, to be wealthy in something. The misfortune. Oh, the bad luck. Oh, no way. Oh. Unfortunate. Unfortune. Like, oh, the bad luck. We missed something, or we no longer have something, we've lost it. Unfortunately, or both. Unfortunately. Unfortunately. The behaviour, the way of. Unfortunately, it happened. Unfortunately, it didn't work. What misfortune we had. He had the misfortune of seeing the bad news. He was quite unfortunate in his endeavour. Suffix. Fortunately, but fortunately, but luckily, fortunately, it worked. Fortunately, there was a lot of money. Fortunately, things turned around. Yes. Fortunate, he was very fortunate that happened. If that didn't have happened, if that had not happened, it would have been horrible. Fortune, fortunate. Had that not happened, it would have been a disaster. Ooh, disaster. Very fortunate. Yeah. Free. 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 Refree. To make something free again. Refree. Repeat. Refree. Unfree. Not free. They are not free. They are the opposite of free. They are in change. Unfree. No way. Freeable. It can be done. Freeable. They can be freed. It can be freed up. I can. My week is very freeable. I can change things around, cancel things, move things around. Freedom. Freedom. The freedom to go and do what you want. I have the freedom to go there, go here, go here, go there, go there. Freedom to do this, do that. Freedom. Unfreeable. Those people can't be freed. And they're unfree, but they're unfreeable. We can't do it. Not able. Able. They are unfree, and I can't free them. They're unfreeable. But also autofreeable. Autofreeable. It will free itself up. It'll make itself free. Auto, self. It'll free itself up and able to do it to do it. It can do the action. To do the action. Auto by itself. Autofreeable. How cool is that? Yeah. So how cool is that? So we can have some words be the basis of other words, English, with a prefix, suffix, or both. Derivational, to derive. We can derive. Here's a word, so here's like fortune or freedom. We can derive new words from it. Derivational, derive. Derive. It come from. Part of the word family. How cool is that? How cool is that? Language explorers. Let's keep exploring.